what's going on? Welcome to the channel. My name is The Real Legend, and we are here with some IRL, NBA, and NFL pack openings. It's changing things up a bit. We're not going to be opening up packs within the game. We're going to be opening up all of these Mosaic packs right now. Both of these are dual packs. As you can see, it says 15 cards inside, 3-card pink camo prism bonus pack. So hopefully we can get some parallels, maybe even a game used memorabilia card, and maybe an autograph card, right? Those are tougher to pull, but that would be pretty awesome. And then for the NFL pack, same thing, 15 cards, 3 exclusive Mosaic card pink parallels as well, plus 1 other Mosaic parallel. Let's see how this works out. We're going to start with the NBA first. So as you can see, this is the exclusive parallel pack. And then it comes with 2 packs with 6 cards in it, which is not too bad. All right, the first pack, we got a Justice Winslow. We got a Jordan Clarkson, and these cards are nice. We got a KCP. Let's go. Oh, snap. Yo, this is sick. This is like an Emerald Prism type card. Hall of Fame Mosaic John Stockton. I wonder if it's numbered. It's not, but it's still pretty nice. And it is a prism. So we're definitely going to put that in this plastic in the top loader. We also got this pretty sick Trae Young Given Gold. Looks like it's an insert card. That's pretty fire. And then we got a rookie card. Let's go, Matisse Thybulle. It's a nice one. Let's pack these up right away. Oh, that's nice. We got a Domantas Sabonis. He's been playing great. We got a Josh Okogie. Might have said his last name wrong. We got a Brian Forbes. We got a Dorian Finley-Smith. We got a Nemanja Belgica. And we got a Jackson Hayes rookie card NBA debut. So it looks like this is an insert as well. That's always good. We'll throw that into a soft sleeve. And then for now, we'll put the rest on top since that was the last pack. Throw those there for now. Now let's open up this last pink parallel pack. Pretty cool that they throw this in there. Oh snap, these are fire. So we got a Dwight Powell. We got a Robert Covington. All right, let's go. We got a Kevin Porter Jr. rookie card. Feeling that. Not bad. I'm feeling those packs. We got some good rookies. Now we're going to open up the football. So it comes with this extra Mosaic pack. Throw that one last since those are the pretty nicest cards. Since those are the nicest cards. Oh, we got a DK Metcalf. Let's go. We got a Devin McCourty. We got a Luke Kelce. Nice. Look at this throwback. Thurman Thomas, Buffalo Bills. Just like that John Stockton we pulled. This is nice. Look at this Peyton Manning old school insert card. Even the letters have that old school video game look. And last but not least, we got a Jonathan Taylor rookie card. Let's go. All right, we got a Terry McLaurin. Sam Darnold. Got a Peyton Manning. These cards are a little thick. We got a Tyler Boyd. Oh, Russell Wilson, will to win. This is a nice card. Wow. Really nice background design. We got a Jake Fromm rookie card. And we're going to open up the last bonus pack. Let's go. We got an Odell Beckham Jr., one of my favorite players. And we got a Eli Manning. Let's go. Giants Nation. And last but not least, we got a Bryan Edwards rookie card. I'm hyped. I'm pretty happy with these pulls. It's pretty sick. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see some more IRL pack openings. It's my first time doing it. All right, so let's go through all the pulls. We got this pink mosaic parallel, Bryan Edwards rookie. Eli Manning, pink mosaic parallel. Odell Beckham Jr., pink mosaic parallel. We got a Jake Fromm rookie. We got this Russell Wilson, will to win. It's pretty sick. Thurman Thomas, throwback Hall of Famer. Jonathan Taylor, NFL debut, rookie card. Peyton Manning, old school, insert. Kevin Porter Jr., pink parallel, mosaic, rookie card. NBA debut, Jackson Hayes, rookie card. We got a Matisse Thybulle rookie card. We got this real nice give and go Trae Young. Last but not least, we got this John Stockton Hall of Fame. Whew, this is nice. All right, so I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see some more IRL pack openings. I had a ton of fun. I mean, I collect cards, and I see it's becoming popular again. So I figured I'd share my experiences with you guys. I've been collecting cards as a kid. And again, it's something that I do offline that I don't mind sharing on the channel as well. All right, so again, thanks for all the support. Appreciate it. Peace out.